My name is Tony. I'm an instructor at 4KS Forklift Training, and today I'm going to show you how to de-stack at high level using the counterbalance truck. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put the truck into gear. I'm going to have a look around, all round checks. I'm now going to release the handbrake, driving slowly forwards, looking in the direction I'm travelling. Looking out for my pivot point, which again is the centre of the front wheel, which I'm lining up with the centre block of the pallet. Driving nice and slowly forward, finding the pivot point, turning the wheel 90 degrees to the left, letting the truck turn slowly, watching the back of the truck as it turns, watching the front, watching the back of the truck as it turns, watching the front of the truck, watching the back of the truck as it turns, until the truck is in position, pulling forward very slowly, stopping 6 inches away from the racking. Foot on the foot brake, applying the handbrake, and the truck into neutral. I'm now going to raise the forks up to my eye level. Once the fork's up at eye level, I can then take the tilt off, making the forks nice and level and the mast nice and vertical. I'm now going to raise the forks up to high level, looking up as the forks are going up. Again, once the forks are in position, I'm going to drive slowly forward, making sure I have a nice clean entry within the pallet. Into gear, looking all round checks, releasing the handbrake, driving slowly forward, watching the forks as they enter the pallet. Driving slowly forward, just kissing up to the pallet with the front face of the forks. Stopping the truck again, applying the handbrake into neutral, raising the forks up again, just a couple of inches off the racking. Then we're going to reverse it back, again into gear, having a look around, doing our all-round checks, releasing the handbrake, turning in my seat so I can see all the way behind me, looking in the direction I'm going to travel. As I'm bringing the pallet out, I'm going to stop the truck, have a look forward to make sure the pallet is coming out nice and cleanly. I'm not catching the racking or I'm not catching the load next to it. Again, turning around, looking in the direction I'm travelling. Again, stopping the truck again, having another look forward to make sure the load is coming out nice and cleanly. Again, in the direction I'm travelling. Stopping the truck again. I now see the load is now clear of the racking. I apply the handbrake and put the truck into neutral. The truck is now safe. Lowering the load down nice and gently. Looking forward to make sure the load doesn't hit the floor. Stopping about 3 to 4 inches off the floor. Applying the back tilt to secure the load. I'm now going to reverse back to my starting position. Again, into gear, doing my all-around checks, doing a 90-degree turn, it's the direction I'm going. Again, releasing the handbrake, turning in the seat, looking in the direction I'm travelling. Letting the truck turn, watching the front as the truck is turning, watching the rear, watching the front, watching the rear, watching the front. Once the truck has finished its manoeuvre, looking in the direction I'm travelling, going back to my start point in a nice straight line. Stopping the truck there, applying the handbrake and into neutral. Thank you.